Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening generators in Final Cut Pro and preparing the timeline. Select your footage and set in /out points so the generator aligns precisely where you need it. Once done, drag a generator from the browser into the timeline, either above clips as an overlay or between clips as a background. Make sure to choose a generator that matches the mood and aspect ratio. This saves time adjusting later. You'll see the generator clip appear immediately. Trim it to length so it fits your edit. Next, customize attributes in the inspector so the generator supports your story. Change color, scale, blend mode, and duration. These control how it reads behind or between shots. To add motion, keyframe position, opacity, or effect parameters. This creates smooth transitions and keeps viewers engaged. You can compound the generator with a title or mask to reveal footage, or nest it in a compound clip for complex timing. Make sure to preview in real time and adjust easing for nat. Finally, render and review the edited segment to confirm smooth playback and proper color balance. Export a short test clip to verify compression and overall look before committing to a full export. If you encounter glitches or artifacts, make sure render settings match your project codec, check for overlapping effects that may cause conflicts, and update GPU drivers if performance is poor. If timing feels off, nudge the generator clip frame by frame and re-render until the motion and cuts feel seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.